Most people think a revolution is coming, but the truth is, the revolution is already here. Our money, our food supply, and our freedoms, they're being shaped right here and now. In this video, I'm going to show you how to be prepared mentally, physically, financially, and practically for the massive changes that we're living in right now. And I have a free download that gives you a step-by-step process. Let's do it. You keep waiting for this big moment, but the truth is we're already in it. Inflation is eating away at our savings. What savings, right? Debt levels are higher than ever. Everybody's in extreme debt. Wages are stagnant. Technology and global agendas are reshaping our society in ways we've never seen before. This isn't the future. This is the here and now. There are 4 pillars of preparedness. 1 is your mental preparedness. Woo! My mental preparedness is telling me to laugh at that. Your mindset is everything. It literally controls how you act and react to every situation in your life. Practice stress management, scenario planning with your friends and family, and sharpen your ability to adapt. Fear freezes people, but preparation frees you. Physical preparedness. Your body is your greatest tool, okay? Stay active, learn basic first aid, and start practicing survival skills that are going to get you through really tough times like survival cooking and purifying water, things like that. Financial preparedness. Oh my gosh. This unfortunate revolution is hitting us all and really hard. Cut unnecessary expenses and build even small an emergency fund, like $20 a month. You may not think that it adds up, but it does, especially if you're in a high interest savings account, or if you can potentially invest in some stocks or something like that. Things go up and down all the time, but these are investments. And you can consider holding assets that aren't tied to digital systems like barter and trade items, or any sort of like dollar store items. Any items that you think will help you in an emergency or disaster in order for trade or barter, or just general physical assets. Anything can be a physical asset, even just basic food and water. Yeah, nailed it. And practical preparedness. You've been seeing me bag up food in Mylar bags. This is practical preparedness. I got this, I've been getting some various foods like this pinto beans I got from H-E-B, and then this one I got from the dollar store. So now I'm going to go ahead and combine them and put them in here. But the basics are like food, water, power, security, and communication. Start with just a 30-day supply. In fact, what I want you to do is start with a 1-week supply, and then go to 2 weeks, and then 3 weeks, and then 4 weeks until you get to that 30-day supply. Small steps are going to build up to that long-term security. You don't have to go out and buy like $1 million worth of supplies right now. Small steps. Every time you're at the grocery store, just get a little tiny bit of things at a time. These small steps do add up to huge things over time. So don't be stressed that you don't have, a bunker full of food, or a bunker. Just a little bit at a time. So here are the quick wins that you can do right here, right now. In fact, I'm actually just going through my pantry right now. Like, I didn't get all this at once. I got this a little bit at a time, like all these beans and rice and things that you see. I've gotten this a little bit at a time, and now I've decided to go through my pantry, and instead of leaving them in their original packages, now I'm Mylar bagging them because I have enough. Like, I only have 1 bag of chickpeas, so I'm not going to Mylar bag that right now. I'm probably going to wait until I have 3 more, and then I'll Mylar bag it, right? So on my next trip, I'll get 1 more chickpeas. And then after that, I'll get 1 more, etc. until I get 4. And then I'll Mylar bag it one day. This bag is half full of pinto beans. And what I'm going to do, instead of sealing it, I'm just going to close it. And then next time, I'm going to get like 1 or 2 more. And then I'm just going to bag it. And then I will seal it and everything like that. So here are a few things you can do right here, right now, today after watching this video. Go audit your pantry. That's exactly what I just did today, and that's why I'm Mylar bagging this stuff from my pantry. I went and I audited my pantry, and I said, you know what? This stuff doesn't need to be here. I only need a few of these. I've stocked up so much on this that I'm now going to store them in Mylar bags. First, go take an inventory of your pantry, all of the food and water that you have stored up, even freeze-dried stuff, all the stuff, okay? And then see what you want to work on. See what you need to increase, okay? Start building a safety net. Go take $20 out of your money right now and push it into a high interest savings. Find a daily mental and physical preparedness that you can do. Could you write in a gratitude journal every day? Takes me and my family literally less than 5 minutes to do it. We do it every single day, a gratitude journal. Every single day, I will either walk or lift weights. Every single day. I have a treadmill, but we also get out and just walk around the neighborhood, a mile, mile and a half. It's not a lot. It's just getting us out and about. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just start. And to make this whole process easier, I have created 12 steps to survive and thrive through a global crisis. I have a whole series coming up that's going to be talking about how we can get through this global crisis that is actually not only going to happen and get worse, but it's happening right now. So these are things we need to be doing right now to be on the ready and prepared. This is not fear. This is reality. These are things that are happening in real time. And I know you've probably heard a million prepper channels say the exact same thing, probably for years. But experts are now saying that in 2026, things are going to get much worse. So be sure you're subscribed, liked, and comment on this video to let me know how you are getting prepared and ready right here, right now. And be sure to download that free checklist. Thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.